Man, I love this freaking steering wheel, dude. Shoo! What is going on, guys? In today's video, we're just gonna be quickly slapping this carbon fiber front splitter on the E46. It's just a matter of using these screws and just drilling it on, and there's also 3M tape on the back right here. But it should be a quick, I don't even know, maybe 2-minute install. So we'll see how it turns out. We got Max here. We're at NRP today. We're just gonna quickly slap it on, and hopefully it looks cool. The car's already super low, so hopefully it doesn't scrape like crazy, but I expect it to look like a bottom of a skateboard soon. Or just break and fly off. So not really too worried about it. I got it for stupid cheap from my boy CJ, but I mean, if it breaks, I'll get a different style one. I just really want to cover up this nasty, disgusting shit on my bumper. It just looks so bad, and that's gonna cover it up nice. So I'll show you guys. I'll grab some before pictures for you guys too, so let me know what you guys think. We've got her mocked up right quick just to see exactly how we want it, and that's pretty much it. Right, Mix?
That's right. I'm just gonna send it with this one just in case.
Damn, dude, you're just drilling my holes. That's fucking
I'm not even gonna respond to that. You're a fucking idiot. I think I went a little too conservative on the hole size.
Shit.
Damn, dude, I'm gonna have to ream your holes out, man. That's...
You sure that's not big enough for the hole? Yeah. Crazy. This is Chris, guys, by the way. He's the latest and greatest NRP employee.
I wouldn't say greatest.
See you Monday.
Yes, sir.
Oh man, top down, that's how you feel? Yeah. Sheesh, it's that kind of weather already. This is one hell of a scene. Dude in a beanie and a fucking vert. That's exactly what I want to see on my fucking Friday afternoon. Later, dude. Drive safe.
See you, man. We'll do.
Wow, N55. Did you get the right size for my hole?
Yes.
Max, you're so good at finding the right size. Max actually just, quick update on his car. He painted his other holes black, and he's doing that because he's got some Mag Blue TE37s. Do you care if I expose? They're really freaking sick. We're probably gonna make a video putting these on his car because it's kind of a big deal. We've been waiting for them for so long, so that's definitely gonna be nice to see. He also has a sick carbon diffuser. I don't know if he's actually gonna come through on Sunday and install it, but let me know if you guys want to see this thing installed on this Moonstone 104 E90 M3. I know this thing seems like silver maybe on camera, but if you really have an eye for paint, this thing is the furthest thing. It's like, it looks like a wrap sometimes, like a very nice two-tone. It has a really deep blue in it, especially when the light hits it. It just looks like, it doesn't look like any color you've ever freaking seen, so it's really cool. But so the reason why he painted those, what are these called again, Center? What?
Hubs?
The hubs. He painted the hubs black because obviously TEs don't have the center cap, so it's gonna look not presentable if it's all rusty and disgusting. I wish we kind of got a video of like how disgusting it was, but he basically took a wire brush and like just rubbed it and then painted it over. So now when he puts the TEs on, it'll look really sick. But yeah, if you guys want to see that diffuser get put on this thing, it's gonna look mean as shit. Can't wait. I just want to get a good shot of the splitter because it's not gonna look like this after, I don't even know how much time will pass.
Like 10,000 miles?
Not even, bro. By the time I get home, it'll look like the skateboard. Max is done filling my holes, and now basically it's on there. The fitment is perfect, well, in terms of like how I want it. And actually, low-key, it actually does fit really good for an aftermarket splitter. Now he's just putting the belly pan back on, and then we're gonna lower it and see how it looks. I'm hyped.
I'm not gonna do anything else to it today. I'm just gonna leave it in the air.
Are you actually gonna do it Sunday or not?
Yeah, I'm gonna do the diffuser on Sunday.
Fuck it. Yeah, you guys, if you want to see that, let me know, comment, and I'll pull up Sunday and just help him out and watch it too, because it's gonna be sick. You want to do the honors?
What?
Lowering her.
Do you know how to use a lift?
Yeah. What? Yeah, I like it. It's great. And then when we back it out, that's when we'll really see the goods.
Looks pretty good. It's pretty good fitment too for.
Sheesh, damn, it looks nice, man. That looks so much better than what it was. Wow, it's crazy how much that completes the front end.
You know what it's missing?
What?
Getting rid of those chrome grills.
Dude, I'm fucking with those. What do you mean? Max and Evan and Eric all hate the chrome trim grill. So basically, what people like to do is obviously do the gloss black grill that everybody and their mom does. And from stock, it comes with chrome slats as well. I like the chrome bezel with the black slats. It looks a lot more classy, and I think it still looks sporty while still maintaining a OEM plus look. So you guys can comment down below and let me know what you think is better. If you guys want me to do gloss black, I guess I can take a little bit of time away from these grills and just slap some black ones on. But let me know, guys, let me know what you think before and after right here up on the screen for you. Check it out. I know the picture was on the lift, but check it out now. It looks a lot better to me. I'll put another pic from like my iPhone or something for you guys, but I think this looks sick. I'm super excited. Can't wait to drive it. It actually, one thing I do like though, it's not sitting way too low, so I have to change my driving style and like really worry about hitting bumps. I think only when it's coming up and down big ramps and stuff is when I'm really gonna have to be concerned, but otherwise it looks sick. Huge shout out to Max. Thank you, Max. I appreciate you, bud. And the guys over at NRP for doing this for me. But let me know what you guys think down below, guys. Appreciate you checking in on the vlog. Let me know if you guys want to watch Max's diffuser on Sunday. I will pull up and do that if I need to. But anyway, guys, that pretty much does it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Peace out.